Hey there, welcome to the UkeStuff channel and welcome to this tutorial video of how to play The Joker and the Queen as recorded by Ed Sheeran and Taylor Swift. So a couple things about this. First of all, we'll look at the song in GCEA soprano concert or tenor ukulele tuning, which is done in the key of C. Really, C major 7 is the basis of the song. And then we'll look at it on baritone DGBE ukulele with D major 7 really being the heart of the song. After that, we'll talk about strumming or picking that you might want to do for the song as well. Now, if you like this song, you can find the chord chart at UkeStuff.info. UkeStuff.info is the blog connected with this ukulele channel. And if you want to support the channel, there are 3 things you can do. First of all, you can like the video. Second, you can subscribe to the channel. And third, you can always buy me a cup of coffee to say thank you for making this content at buymeacoffee.com/UkeStuff. All right, let's begin with the chords you need for GCEA soprano concert or tenor ukulele. I'll be using this instrument. This is my Enya Nova U. It's a concert ukulele made by Enya. It's a plastic and carbon fiber composite ukulele. All right, here we go. The first chord you need is C major 7. It's very much like a C chord, except use your second finger on the first string, 2nd fret. The second chord you're going to need is the D minor 7. Now, if you can't play D minor 7, just play D minor, but it's basically your F chord with your pinky playing what would normally be your C chord. That's your D minor 7. The next chord is the F chord, then the G chord, the G7 chord, and then finally the C chord. And those are the 6 chords you need to play the Joker and the Queen on GCEA soprano concert or tenor ukulele. Now let's take a look at it on baritone ukulele. All right, for baritone ukulele, I'll be using this instrument. This is my mainland baritone. It has a cedar top and rosewood back and sides. The first chord is the D major 7, which is a partial bar chord. So what you're going to do is take your first finger and lay it across strings 1, 2, and 3, right above the metal 2nd fret, and pull against the fretboard while supporting the ukulele firmly with your chording and picking arm, sort of like that. You should get most of the sound you need there, and then you can add the thumb for a little support. And that's the D major 7 chord. Then you have the E minor 7, pretty easy. You don't actually push down any strings with the left hand. That's your E minor 7. Then the G chord. Then the A chord. The A7, which is going to be a full bar chord. You take that first finger and lay it across all 4 strings, right above the metal 2nd fret. Same deal, pull against the fretboard. That should give you most of what you need when you're pulling against the fretboard and supporting your ukulele with your right arm. Add your thumb for some extra support. And then add the 2nd finger on the 1st string 3rd fret. That's your A7 chord. And then finally your D chord. And those are the chords you need to play the Joker and the Queen on baritone DGBE ukulele. Now let's talk about strumming. As we start talking about strumming, one of the things I say in almost all my videos is this, I can't say it enough, is that there is no one right single answer. So I'm going to give you 2 options really of what to do in the song. If you want to use them, great. If you want to mix them up, that's great. If you want to do something different, that's great too. Here's the deal. There was no ukulele in the original version of the Joker and the Queen. So you can't match it perfectly. As a result, whatever you do is going to be approximating what you hear anyway. So as long as what you do fits the style of the music and matches the tempo of their original song, you're good. But some people really struggle figuring out what to do. That's why I make these videos. The number 1 question on the Play Along channel is still, what's the strumming pattern? Even though I've written a little thing that talks about the fact that there is no one single right answer, people get really caught up in playing the right pattern. With my students, I don't stress a right pattern. It's a really constricting way to think. I want them to feel the tempo and find something that works for them. And if they really can't find something, I'm happy to show them something, but there's not one single right answer. So let me give you a couple options. The first option is going to be this, is just going to be down strums. right? That also works on baritone. Let me pull up the baritone and show you that too. Down strums. Now let me give you one other idea of what you can do. All right, this next strumming pattern is really picking, and so it's not strumming at all. And I give credit to this to the late Mike Lynch. And basically it involves picking like a claw. Use fingers, your thumb, so it's not really a finger, but your thumb, 1 and 2. Your thumb is gonna play strings 4 and 3. Your first and second fingers are gonna play strings 2 and 1 respectively. So the first finger plays string 2, the second finger plays string 1. And what you're gonna do is this. You're gonna pluck strings 4, 2, and 1 at the same time. And it's gonna go like this. And you're gonna alternate with the thumb going 4, 3, 4, 3, 4, 3, 4, 3, while picking 1 and 2with the thumb on the first one. So 4, 1, 2, 3. 4, 1, 2, 3. And it's gonna sound like this. Works really nice in the song too. And of course you can switch back and forth. Now let me also do that in baritone as well, which is doing it in a different key. All right, so if you skipped ahead to the baritone part here, again, what I'm doing is I'm using thumb 1, 2, P, I, M, if you're used to classical guitar terminology, but the thumb is gonna play strings 4 and 3, and the first finger is gonna play string 2, and the second finger is gonna play string 1. And what you're gonna do is play strings 4, 1, 2, and then play string 3 with the thumb. And you're gonna alternate back and forth. It's gonna sound like this. And that works really nice with this song as well. All right, so if you know those chords and you know those two strumming patterns, that's all you need to do to be successful on The Joker and the Queen as recorded by Ed Sheeran and Taylor Swift. All right, thanks so much for watching the video. I hope you're having a great day, and I'll be back soon with some more Uke stuff for you.